Hey everyone, welcome back. Today we're diving into a topic that's both fascinating and incredibly important. 3 specific places you should absolutely avoid flying your drone. Trust me, this will save you a ton of hassle and keep everyone safe, so let's jump right in.
Oh wow, that sounds super exciting. What kind of places are we talking about? Is it just like random spots in a park or serious no-fly zones? I'm curious.
Great question. First up, let's talk about beehives. You might think, a drone? What are the bees gonna do? But flying your drone near beehives can actually be really dangerous. Bees are super sensitive to disturbances, and if they feel threatened, they can swarm. Imagine trying to fly your drone and suddenly being chased by a cloud of angry bees. No thanks.
Oh my gosh, that sounds terrifying. I've seen those videos where people try to run from bees, and it's chaos. So, how far should you really stay away from beehives? Or, what if they're just in a tree or something?
Good point. You want to keep a safe distance, ideally about 100 to 200 feet away from the hives. Just think about it this way. If you wouldn't want to poke a bear, you definitely don't want to disturb bees. Keep your eyes peeled for signs of beehives, like those little wooden boxes. Just don't get too close.
Right, like the beekeepers' boxes? But, what happens if you accidentally fly over them? Do they, have a defensive strategy or something?
Haha! Oh, absolutely. They might just swarm you like an angry mob. But moving on, let's talk about the second area you should avoid. Fireworks displays. This might sound fun, flying your drone while filming those beautiful explosions in the sky, right? But hear me out, the loud noises and sudden movements can really confuse your drone. It's like if you were at a concert and the entire crowd suddenly started jumping. It would be disorienting.
Wow, I never thought about it that way. That sounds super chaotic. What are the actual dangers? Do drones get hit by falling debris or something?
Exactly. There's not just the noise. Think about the potential hazards like falling debris from the fireworks themselves. If a drone accidentally gets too close and just goes haywire from the noise, it could crash and cause some serious damage. Plus, it can ruin the experience for everyone else trying to enjoy the show. So really, just keep your drone grounded and enjoy the pyro magic with your own eyes.
That makes so much sense. So you're basically saying fireworks displays are like a really bad rave for drones? Just total mayhem. What's the third place on your list?
Haha, you nailed it. The third and final place is kite-flying areas. Now, you might not think of this as a drone danger zone, but kites can fly unpredictably. Imagine a kite swooping down and getting tangled up with your drone. That's like a dramatic scene you don't want to star in.
Whoa, that is so true. Laughs. I've seen those YouTube videos where, kites crash into things and it's just ouch. So what happens if a kite string gets caught in a drone? Is it just, game over?
Pretty much. It can cause crashes, costly repairs, and just a headache all around. If you see kites in the sky, steer clear. Because, a kite isn't just a harmless toy. It can turn into a dangerous hazard pretty quickly.
That is such a wild realization. So, to sum it all up, we should avoid beehives, fireworks displays, and kite-flying areas? Wow, it seems like common sense now that you say it, but I can't believe I never thought about it before.
Exactly. Your safety and the safety of those around you is paramount. And I'd love to hear your thoughts and any experiences you might have had flying your drone in these areas. Have you ever encountered anything wild in the sky?
I might have to think about that. Thanks for sharing all this info. I can't wait to see what everyone else has to say. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell if you're watching on YouTube. Catch you next time.